A chiropractor uses special instruments or hands to manipulate joints that are an ailment in the body to help us get relief from pain. Chiropractic adjustment can help reduce pain and correct the body's alignment and overall physical function. When many conditions affecting the nervous system and musculoskeletal system are felt in the body, chiropractor can help deal with it. Whether you are suffering from headache, neck pain or low back pain, you should immediately rush for chiropractic adjustments at Health Balance Medical in Queens, New York. Health Balance Medical will treat pain anyplace within the body, in the head and jaws, the shoulders, the elbows and wrists, the hips and pelvis, additionally the knees and ankles. Chiropractic care helps scale back pain from migraines and neck-related headaches, neck or spine injuries, joint problems within the arms, legs, associate and nursing shoulders. Your health is always our priority. For more details, visit our website.